This 2023 Alliance RV Valor All-Access 36A15 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Wixom, Michigan, 48393 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Alliance RV is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, kitchen island, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.